Everybody, Scott with rhrswag.com. And are you a limited edition character? Well, I've got the Access limited edition truck bed cover here. And this is, we've been shooting tonneau cover videos all day long, and this is the cover that's staying on my daughter's truck. It is the limited edition. It's for limited edition kind of people. And it has all the normal features of the Access roll-up cover. You can roll it up fast, stores behind the bed, so you can haul stuff. It's sealed up really, really nice. Couple of things that are unique. You get a tailgate seal with it, so you can seal the tailgate, because that's where weather's going to get in, particularly car wash, gravel roads, etc. It has a dual locking system. You just squeeze these two little levers together and it releases both sides, and so when you close it, both sides automatically lock, which is unique to the Access brand of tonneaus, and it rolls up. A couple of things to note: that the bars and bows roll up with it. It has the slant back design, 1.5-inch side sealing system. It does also come with a truck bed cargo light, this battery powered 18-inch truck bed cargo light that is nice, because if you're camping or at the grocery store at night or wherever and you need to see what's in your bed, just hit this button. Has a 5-minute auto shut off. It also comes with this easy retriever, so if you don't want to roll up the cover and want to grab something out of the back of the bed, such as this wrench that we use to install this cover on, or actually Joe installed it. I just watched him. And it has the easy retriever storage holder that holds there. Again, the cover rolls up, so you got to haul that grill to a friend's house. Got to run your four-wheeler back here, whatever it happens to be. You've got to use your truck like a truck. You can do it quickly. It has premium storage straps. It has tension adjusters in the front that you can just fine-tune. They're called XT dial. Very nice. And the nice thing about these premium storage straps, by the way, is that they have protectors built in to keep it from rubbing against the back of your cab. So cheaper tonneaus don't necessarily have that, and so sometimes it'll rub against the cab when it gets rolled up. Not an Access cover. And this is the limited edition. It also comes with built-in tie-down clamps, so you can the clamps that are used to clamp this, install this on your truck. Each one of them, if you have a long bed truck, you're going to get more clamps versus a short bed truck. This is a 5.7 truck. And again, to close it, it's very easy. You just roll it towards the tailgate, and it over-centers. And again, it locks both sides, so you know it's secure. You don't have to worry about it doing the Superman cape going down the highway. And then you seal the sides here. The other thing is it comes with an element seal. You can't see it, but it's in the front, and to keep the weather and water and whatnot out of getting in from the front. And of course, it is a slant back design, so it's very nice looking against your tailgate. And lastly, it does mount on the inside of the bed. So the advantage of that is that you can install a truck rack like the Atarack truck rack that mounts on the top of the bed rail. You can also put stainless steel or chrome bed rails on there. You can put the Atarack rails that they have that you can put on here with tie downs if you need additional tie downs. It's really a premium product. And again, you kind of have a good, better, best with the Access series of tonneaus, and this is the absolute best. This is the limited edition, and if you're a limited edition character, this is the cover you need.
Join us at rhrswag.com.